I received $3.21 guys from Timebucks. So payment method guys, you can choose. I use virtual card. Choose crypto. There is $0.5 transaction fee if you withdraw under $5. So also on PayPal there is fee. So I'll try virtual card because there is no fee. If you don't know how to earn here guys, you can earn by clicking guys. So through clicks, click and so you can click guys, task, micro task. There is a other way of earning guys by check in daily. So as far as you check in every day, your reward being get higher. So up to $5 in day 90. You can also earn by doing surveys, playing games on offer walls, like earn, offer walls, many games here guys. So I have many payment history of this website. This is my payment history. So I get $3, $3, $3. Biggest is $10. So my total earnings is $46. So I choose the payment method guys. Once you choose the virtual card, because there is this option is no withdrawal fee, they will send you an email, then click redeem. I randomly choose United States. I try to choose United States and click activate card, and then click save. So this is my tremendous card. So this is my payment from Timebucks. So many YouTube videos that it can be converted into PayPal, but the balance is so low, so that it can only buy products online. So I already try buying upgrade on the game. There is a game on free cash. I use I use some of this balance to buy. See, so if you want to earn on Timebucks more, or you want, just click on the link in the description guys and grind and earn guys by playing surveys and clicking on the website. So you can buy it guys on online, like uh, Google Play purchases, subscription. So this is very useful guys. So if you are not if you don't want uh, this kind of payment, you can choose PayPal or crypto, Solana or Litecoin. So for now, I try this virtual card. So I will use this uh, balance for uh, game purchases of a GPT app like Free Cash or many other application or in the games in Timebucks. So all you need to do is just copy the information, guys, in your virtual card and put on the visa fill up, put on the visa fill form like on Google Play or to, you know about that, guys, how to fill on the blanks. Just use the number of the virtual card you use. So that's all, guys. I already use some of this balance. So if you want to withdraw time bucks without payment or transaction fee, virtual virtual card is the best option. But if you don't want it, you can direct to PayPal or any crypto. So thank you for watching.